You have definitely seen these Stickman videos on your feed, and YouTube channels are making $1,000 per month just by posting this exact style of content. And here is the best part. Only a very small number of creators are doing this right now, which means there is almost zero competition in this niche. The door is wide open. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
Your brain loves comfort more than success because comfort gives instant rewards. But hard work feels difficult at first. So your brain says, choose the easy path. But growth starts when comfort ends. Train your brain, or comfort will control you.
I am going to show you the exact method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. It will instantly provide you 10 topic ideas to choose from. Pick the one you find the most interesting and engaging. Now open the detailed prompt from the description below. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Take your chosen idea and paste it inside the designated section in the prompt. You can also change the timing according to your video length. Right now, I only want to create a 30-second video, so I will set it to 30 seconds. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you the complete voiceover script, image prompts, and video prompts for every single scene all at once. Now, before we jump into the visuals, let's create the voiceover first. Open any text-to-speech tool. I am using Minimax. Select your preferred voice, copy the voiceover for every scene, and paste it in. Hit generate, and your voiceover for all the scenes will be ready in seconds. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, your first image scene will be right here. Choose the one you like the most, click the 3 dots, and choose Add to Prompt. Copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it right here. This keeps the visual style and Stickman character perfectly consistent across every scene. Repeat this exact same process until all your images are done. Now, let's bring these images to life. Click on the first image, click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Make sure all your desired video settings are turned on. Copy video prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter, and your first video scene will be ready in front of you. Repeat the exact same process for every remaining image until all of them are converted into videos. Download all of them one by one when they are ready. Now open any video editor you like and import all your video clips and voiceovers. Combine all the clips in the correct sequence and attach the voiceover to the timeline. Remove any unwanted parts to perfectly sync the voiceover with the visuals. Add captions if you want. Choose your preferred text font and style to match the Stickman animation feel and hit export. Your Stickman animation video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. $1,000 a month from a niche with almost zero competition. The prompts are in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.